To protect your PDF file with password, the tool you're going to use is I love PDF. To access it, just head on to ilovepdf.com/protectpdf, or while you're on the home page, click on all PDF tools on the nav bar and then click on protect PDF. You don't have to sign up. What you just need to do while you're on the platform is to click on this red button here that says select PDF, locate the PDF you want to protect and double click. Now the PDF is loaded on I love PDF. Enter the password you would like to protect your PDF file with. I'm just gonna, and then repeat the password to confirm that the password you entered is correct. Once you're done entering the password, click on protect PDF. Now the process is complete. As you can see here, it says PDF files have been protected. Usually it will download automatically, but if it doesn't, just go ahead and click on download protected PDF. But mine has been downloaded, so I'm just going to open my file explorer and open up the PDF. I'm trying to open the PDF, but you can see it's saying enter a password. So the PDF is locked. I have to enter my password before I can access the PDF. Click on open file to access. And as you can see, the PDF is open. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking this video.